hello, hello. Happy Kwanzaa. Today is day 4, Ujamaa, Cooperative Economics. So let's get into it because we're talking about this dollar bill, honey. Okay, the dollar in the almighty cents. And I want you to understand that in this season of Kwanzaa, where we're reaffirming and refreshing and rejishing how we are going to move forward for the next year, we are reaffirming that we will support each other with our dollars and our cents, right? We as creative entrepreneurs, we need you. We need you in order to sustain in these internet streets. And I am so excited at the last year of just excitement over supporting small businesses, buying Black, right? The commitment that's reaffirmed week after week, month after month. I'm excited about that. But do we need a hashtag to let us know that that's what we should be doing? Do we need a group to join to let us know that's what we should be doing? Do we need a social media post to let us know that that's what we should be doing? Because our history dictates and has supported the fact that when we collectively support each other with our dollars and our cents, we win. That's our history, right? So for us to do anything outside of what history has already shown us works inside of our community is asinine. I said it. I know. But I want you to just keep pushing through. Just give yourself those inner checks and balances. Don't wait for the hashtags to come across. Don't wait for the social media posts to come across. Don't wait for that TV show or that radio show to broadcast we're buying Black, right? Write yourself a note. Write yourself a reminder in your phone. Just say, hey, today is the day I'm going to buy Black, right? Just remind yourself and do that every what? Every other week, once a month, every 3 months. I don't know what works for you. I'm not here to dictate that, but I do want you to make it part of your rhythm and your flow of how you move in this world. I want you to make that so innate that you don't have to have the reminder anymore because you just instinctively buy Black. Cooperative economics. Ujamaa. Let's do it.